Hello. I've recently been playing a lot of CSS Battles and thought it was super fun. And I've done a lot of the challenges, not all, but some. There are a lot of challenges, and I thought it would be very entertaining and fun to go through a lot of these. So I wanted to create some sort of like YouTube series where I'm kind of going over, yeah, the majority of all of these challenges and showing you solutions that are pretty good. If your goal here is to find a solution that's going to put you in the top 100 leaderboard, these videos probably aren't going to be that one. I'm going to try to minify them pretty close, so we're going to get somewhat close to the like top 100 because I'm doing a lot of them. It's super fun. But yeah, if you're trying to go top 100 and finding the best solutions, these probably aren't the videos for you. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna create as many videos as I can and see how far I go. But yeah, let's start with the first one. The absolute most simple of them simple, right? So for this one, it's pretty straightforward. The most straightforward solution everybody goes with. You make a little skirt like this, and you give it a width and a height of 200 pixels, and then the body, you style the body as well like this, and give it a background of that, right? And then we're pretty close, and then we just go margin 0 for it, and then we have this 100% match, right? And this is pretty good, but there are a lot of things about this that's not that good. First of all, we have a lot of white space, right? But like mainly like at the bottom here, we can clean up all of this, and it's still gonna work. You can see we went to 138 characters from 153, which is a lot in CSS Battles. So we can do that. We can remove the white space here. When it comes to widths and heights, we can just remove this. We can just go 200, 200, and it works the same. Then here we have a lot of characters for this part. And one thing that's pretty interesting that you have to sort of like remember with CSS is that there are a lot of different elements, and some of them are named div, and some of them are named a p tag, right? Like this. And the p tag and the div both have a very unique property called display block. So pretty much everywhere, almost everywhere, where you see a div or you use a div, you could just swap it out for a p tag, and it's gonna work the exact same with less characters, right? And then you're gonna go like this and like this, clean it all up, and then if we just go like this, like that, and like that, and like this, then all of a sudden we have 84 characters, which is not that much, right? Wait, let me read this. And I think we can even put a star here. Yeah, nice star instead of the body because it takes every element. Because we're not really doing that much styling. If this would have been like widths and heights here, we'd have like okay, maybe we don't add that. But yeah, this is a good solution. And this is pretty much the lowest you're gonna go without going with the super weird hacks. Because the actual like solution that's like number one is to take an A tag for whatever reason. You put an inline style like this, and then in CSS Battles you don't have to put quotes here for some weird reason. So you can just go like this, and then you use a very weird trick with box shadows. So you go box shadow and then 0 plus 0 plus 0. And whenever you see this pretty much like with a normal box shadow, you usually go something like this. Like okay, let's go 20 pixels to the right, then 20 pixels to the bottom, and then like 0 in the spread, then like whatever. Right, you do something like this. But whenever you do like inline lines like this, you can't really have like the spaces here, right? The spaces here don't really work. So instead you just put a plus, which is like in CSS just regularly, it's just gonna be the same as a space bar. And then we go one and then in. I actually don't know what that even means, but it works for whatever reason. And we can put a 2 instead, and then we can have another shadow that's 0 plus 0 plus 0, and then we can put this sort of more. Let's go with 5 then, like so, and then put that color. And now we have 54 characters, which is the actual like record here, I guess you can say. If you check the leaderboard, you can see everybody's at 54 characters. Yeah, because this is the lowest you can go. Super weird, but yeah, it works. So yeah, that was this challenge. I'm gonna be trying to do as many as I can. So whenever you're watching, there's probably like 50 other videos that you can see for all the other challenges. And I hope you see them. Bye bye.